Hello everyone and welcome on board the Nautitech 48 Open. We're at the Grand Pavois today and we'll take a tour of the boat with Laura, so follow us.
Hello everyone, welcome in Le Grand Pavois La Rochelle with Nautitech Catamaran. We are on board of the Nautitech 48 Open and we are pleased to exhibit the 44 and the 48 this year. This boat, very proud, all the team, because we are nominated for the European Yacht of the Year 2025. Our shipyard is located in La Rochelle area, in the Atlantic coast of France. So the DNA of the shipyard is obviously performance on board, sailing sensation on the helm with 2 helm stations on each side. And you will see comfort on board. Welcome to a large lounge area on the front, and you can see on the Nautitech 48 Open black sportive features like the black trampoline, the black mast and boom, black martingale, and all features as we want a sportive look for this boat. So this boat is offered directly with the Mainsail, a self-tacking jib, and you can have on options cod zero, gennaker, spinnaker, everything for your sailing sensations. Roof step for an easy access to the mast, boom, and here we have in options 12 solar panels, 180, so in total 2160 watts, obviously flush and walkable ones. So on the front, a large saloon areas to enjoy a light aperitifs or a nice evening altogether. You can see here the cockpit enclosure that enables you to close the cockpit space. We have them in black umbrella and obviously with the 2 doors to have an easy access to helm stations. So we will now visit the interior of the boat. So this is always the open concept with here 2 panels sliding doors giving an entire in and out space with 2 dining areas, inside 6 people and here outside up to 8 people. With additional stool you can have an order at the catalog. At Nautitech we want you to feel like home. We use the best quality materials and here you have a nice view on the kitchen and saloon areas. Nice features on the 44 and 48 Open. This is the bar, the best stable place on the boat. Place to enjoy coffee, do your mailings on the morning. We really love this space. You have also here the dedicated chart table, a place our owners were really keen on having on our models. With here materials B&G, but from 2025 you will have the boat with Remarine. Then, like home, all the domestic appliances are available. Here standard 2-drawer fridges, deep freezer. You have in standard stoves and oven that you can get into induction and options. And options, dishwasher, microwaves, everything you will need. This boat is presented with 3 cabins, owner version. And let's go now to visit the owner cabin. So welcome on the owner cabin. Lots of lighting for your owners and we give attention to quality and nice materials with the suede around the bed, headboards, solid wood around here, the different parts, and a lot of storage. In the room you have a maximum of storage with here the sliding door also to close completely the space, and separate head and bathroom. Here you can really enjoy the very bright feeling of the boat. And let's go now in the other side of the boat with what we call the flexibility smart room. So the smart room flexibility is a transformable space. you can have, like here, bunk bed option, but also possibility to lower another bed part and have 3 beddings. Obviously, you can also have storage, but washing machine to bring some more features into this space. So this hull is offering here 2 guest cabins with here a shared nice size bathroom. And you can have obviously in option 2 en-suite bathrooms. We have been very pleased to have you on board of the Nautitech 48 Open. Please, for any information, do not hesitate to contact us.
So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like the video, follow us on YouTube, and subscribe for more videos of tour of boats that you will want to sail on one day. See you soon.